Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can verify Discord account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, go ahead, open up your Discord app and tap on this profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Then from over here, go ahead, tap on this option of settings given on top right corner. Then from over this options, go ahead, tap on this option of account from this menu list. Then you will get the account information including username, display name, and you will find the email as highlighted. Tap on this email of yours. Now I will get this section where you'll have to simply verify your email. Go ahead, tap on this option of send a verification code. Now go ahead, open up your email address where you will find a code sent by Discord itself. Go ahead, open up the email, copy the code, come over here, paste it, and tap on next. That is how you will be able to verify yourself on Discord likewise. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.